What's up, Hisway fam? It's Gianna the intern.
It's your boy Gilly.
Today we have a video about our process on taking photos for product photography for our friends over at Medina River Coffee. We want to show this process of what we use here at the shop. Nothing special. We want to hopefully inspire y'all to make some stuff, do some stuff with what you have at home.
I'm going to show you the process of what we do here, so let's go to the next shot and let's get with it. So Cedric loaded up the printer for us. He printed out a yellow background to go with the temper that's on here for Medina River, and also a white background to we can create depth in our photography. We're utilizing what we have here, coffee material. We love coffee here at Hisway. So we're using all those things. It's going to cost us nothing with the equipment that we already have. Of course, we have lighting, but you can also use your sunlight in a perfect area in your house, and just be creative. That's the biggest thing. So we're gonna make, you can't really have a sticker stand by itself. So pro tip, use blue tape. Cut you a little piece like this, cross it. You're gonna have the base right here. Fold it and stick that to your sticker. And now you got a little stand. Now your sticker stands. So the issue that we're gonna run into, you're gonna get reflection on here, but we can just Photoshop that out and we'll be good as new. So.
So we did take these photos last week, but we had to do some revisions with the sticker. So I kind of know more or less on how we want the picture to look like. So this was kind of what we had last time. I remember last time me and Gilly went back and forth a couple times, and we wanted a lot of like grounds, coffee grounds to be in the forefront of the sticker, just so when we took the picture that it'll have a lot of depth and it'll kind of be out of focus, but it'll look more, you can see the depth in between the sticker and the grounds. So I think I'm just gonna add some more grounds to that and then kind of just disperse them just so it looks kind of natural.
We got a background of white wood texture, kind of like a wash as the background. We're using our table as the base, but we're using the yellow to kind of go with the sticker. As you can see, the sticker kind of has like a yellow here, so we really want the color to pop out. Looking at the photo, it's still kind of white, and we want to make it look kind of warm, because you think of coffee, you think morning. I like to drink it at night, ice, but you know, you want people to feel good, you want people to feel warm. So cool thing about EVM, which we really like about these lights, is it's good for our shop, very portable. As you can see, no wires, it's all battery. For this light, I want to use this as a hair light for the object. So you download the app, and then you can switch colors from your phone, which is really cool. So I want to do, not a green, but I want to do like a orangey yellow. And as you can see on our objects, it's already changing the atmosphere of our objects, making it look a lot warmer. Something I want to go for. So I'm going to set up this light, kind of mess with the lighting, and hopefully it gives it another feel for it. So as you can see, our lighting is already changing the whole mood of our set. The key lights are not in position yet, but you can just tell it's a lot warmer. we are here in Lightroom. We uploaded the photos that we are gonna go with. A couple of things on these stickers. These were the stickers that we didn't give out because they had like a little mark or something like that. So we're gonna actually go in Photoshop as well and kind of go into that. But right now we're in Lightroom. We're gonna brighten up the colors. We did a further wider one where you can see the background, which is technically okay, but we want the nitty gritty.
Let's get down to the nitty gritty.
So we're gonna go in closer. So we're gonna pop out these colors. I have some presets already here. So I'm gonna click this. Looks great already. And then I'm gonna go in and kind of finalize, fix it up. Notice it's a little crooked, so I'm gonna straighten it out a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna go to exposure, bring it down just a little bit. Contrast, I really like the contrast, the darkness of it. Put that around 35%. Highlights, don't want it too bright. I'll bring it down here to around 30. Shadow should be good. Whites, I'm gonna go up a little high on 63 just so the white around the sticker, the border, pops out on itself. So right now the temperature is at like -3. I'm gonna push it to like -6 because I like the coolness of the steel. So I still want to continue to have that, but still with the orange kind of mixing in. So I'm gonna keep that at -6. And I'm gonna leave the same. Jump down to saturation. With the preset, it has it at -12, which I'm gonna go to like a -6. And my color mixer, let's see how these colors look. On here on clarity, it's at -9. I'm gonna boost it up just a little bit, probably to +10. I always like my photos to we want to focus on the sticker since it's right in the middle. The background looks good, but I want to put the vignette around it to kind of just really focus right in the middle of our shot. So just a tad to kind of create some kind of mood, and boom, I think we're all set. So here's the before, and here's the after. All right, so now we exported the photo into Photoshop, and then we're just gonna clean it up a bit. So right here, I'm gonna go to the clone stamp tool, and then basically I'm gonna get rid of this sticker in the back. Most people won't be able to. Most people won't see it. It won't be a thing, but I can see it, and once I point it out to Gianna, she can see it. So
couldn't unsee it.
Yeah, you can't unsee it exactly. So go on your keyboard and hold Option key. And you can select an area that you want your marker to be. So it's gonna go there, and then now you can color. Zoom out. Can't even tell. So yeah, so we did that. We took the tape out. So now the black on the letters, there's this little mark that's right here that's bothering me. I'm gonna do the same thing, but color it in with the same color as well. So go to my brush tool. Let's do the one with the feather just to be safe. And then I'm gonna click on the color picker, and I'm gonna pick from the image. It's not like a full black, but it has like a little brown in it, of course, from the lighting and stuff. Command +sign to zoom in. Just go to work. Zoom out. And you can't even tell. Looks good, looks clean. So just got done exporting this bad boy. I'm about to send it to our clients so they have it for their Instagram, social media platforms that they need to use it for. I believe that they're gonna turn this into a shirt later, so they'll be able to use this to post on Instagram, create a little buzz, and then go from there. And that's the final result, guys. Thank you for watching. We went through the whole process of setting up a set with the lighting, doing everything on the budget, putting the objects that we had here at the shop, and we utilized a sticker to promote the product that we're showcasing. And we went into post, into Lightroom, and a little touch up in Photoshop, and now we send it to our clients. and we couldn't be happier.
Hopefully this could inspire and spark some creativity in you guys to use what you have at home and make something beautiful and dope with the shots that you can make. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and supporting us on our YouTube channel. And go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the notification bell because you will never want to miss another tutorial that we make at Hisway.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. My name is Gilly.
I'm Gianna, and remember here at Hisway,
Your brand matters. Peace.